regarding a lot of conditions and diseases. There's a genetic predisposition and an environmental trigger. The National Institute of Health used to have a poster that you could buy. It said, genetics loads the gun and environment pulls the trigger. And they were talking about diabetes, they were talking about arthritis and a lot of other conditions. Maybe that's true about autism. Some years ago, when they were trying to find the genesis of heart disease, there were two considerations, sugar and fat.
Right.
And they paid off Harvard Medical School professors 50 grand to lay the blame at the feet of fat.
Vaccines, like every medicine, right, have side effects.
Yes.
Okay, so let's not deny that or pretend it doesn't happen.
Right.
So we're just talking about which ones, how much, how do we manage this? This is not crazy talk.
We don't do it the way that we should do it. Manufacturers don't we don't manufacture vaccines as well as we could. We have a schedule that's invariable for every single child. One size doesn't really fit all.
Right.
The polio vaccine that I would get as a 180-pound man is the same thing that I give to a 12-pound baby. We could do it a lot better. They make fun of the pharmaceutical industry. They don't trust the pharmaceutical industry except for this one sacrament. And nobody's doing honest reporting about this. And it drives me crazy.
Okay.
Because there aren't two sides to it. It's not pro and anti. There are people in the middle, as you mentioned. I give vaccines, I get vaccines, but I'd like to slow down a little bit, and I'd like to talk. Good.
I read recently, they don't know how anesthesia works. They know that it works. They don't know why.
Right, exactly.
But I should just shut up about all the... It's just...
Anesthesia in childhood is a very controversial topic because it's not good for you to be knocked out. So I've done reading to find out, why does general anesthesia work? We don't know. They speculate. They say perhaps it destroys fat in the brain cells. We don't know.
Right.
That's strange.
You know, when someone comes to me and they say, you know, I went to the doctor the other day, I have cancer, and they know exactly what caused it, and they know exactly how to cure it, then I'll say, okay, I'll shut up about asking questions about anything else medical. Until then, I'm not going to shut up, and you shouldn't either. Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you.
All right.